Hello everyone, this is a Olivetti Lexikon 80 from 1949. It has some particularities. First of all, there is a polyethylene ribbon. It ensures better quality during typing. And it has a keyboard with mathematical symbols. I looked for it in my catalogs, but I didn't find a keyboard similar to this. I never did very well at math at school. It's not that I didn't study. The problem was that I studied a lot, but I didn't understand anything. Nevertheless, I will try to write some mathematical formulas with the symbols of this keyboard. If there are some mathematicians, you can see the video and tell me in the comments how stupid I am at math. I will agree with you. Let's start with this. You can notice that in buttons from 1 to 4 there is only the number and not also a symbol as usual, like this. It's not an error. With the uppercase you type the number. With the minuscule you type the exponentiation. Let's write a formula with this. The result is something between 50 and 90 or so. If you have a better idea, you can write it in the comments. Then we can try the roots. When I went to school, I didn't believe that people used for real the square roots in calculations. Now you can guess if this mathematical equation is true or false. If I had to guess, I would say it's true. You can compose these math symbols. Greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Let's go with this omega lowercase. It can appear in the phase angle equation describing waves or oscillations. In physics is often associated with angular velocity, while in mathematics it can represent the smallest infinite ordinal or be used in complex relationships within formal systems. Really too complicated and strange. I think no one uses this symbol for mathematical formulas. I think everyone uses it to draw naked women. The symbol of omega uppercase is much less sexy than the omega lowercase. The name omega derives from a student fraternity in the movie Animal House with John Belushi, but it is used also in mathematics, physics, etc. It is used as a symbol of home. It's often used to represent the probability of an event, for example in the event of a coin toss. These are things that would kill anyone's libido. Don't use the omega symbol in romantic dates unless you are Sheldon Cooper dating Amy. Then there is the pi. The pi is famous because of the movie Life of Pi. But many people use it also in mathematics to calculate diameter, radius, circumference of a circle. It's very boring, better see the movie. Connected to this there is the tau symbol. Also this has to do with the circle. It's double of the pi. So tau equal to pi. It's strange because the value of the symbol pi is at 3.14. If I divide into the pi, I obtain two symbols tau, each of the value of 6.28. I think it's not correct. Should be 1.57. If you want to complain about this, or about mathematical in general, the link to a mathematical association is in the comments. This is the alpha symbol. It identifies the dog leader of a group of dogs, but it is used also in mathematics. It is often used to represent angles, coefficients, or parameters, especially in geometric and physical and in other boring subjects of study. This is the sigma in lowercase. In statistics, it represents the population standard deviation. The formulas with sigma are very complicated. Honestly, I don't recommend you to deal with them. But it looks like a head with a tuft, so you can use like this. It's much more fun. Sadly, in the keyboard there isn't the sigma uppercase, that is a much more cooler symbol. If you like it, you can type Alt plus 931 on the keyboard and enjoy this symbol. But don't try to do it with the typewriter. Do you see? In a typewriter it doesn't work. This is the lambda. Could be used, for example, in the equation for the relationship between wavelengths and frequency. This symbol is used to state that two or three lines are perpendicular to each other. It's easy. Also me can understand it. Or I hope so. This is the symbol phi. In mathematics can indicate the golden number. It finds application in various fields such as art, architecture and nature for its properties of harmony and proportion. Okay, that's all. I think I gave good explanations of these math symbols. Thank you all. I hope this video will become a fundamental text in understanding mathematics. My dream has always been to win the Nobel in mathematics.
The winner for the Nobel of Mathematics is Olvetti Lexikon.
Many thanks to all. It always has been my dream to win the Nobel in mathematics. Many thanks to all.